Hey guys, so today I want to do a video of this 52-inch Hampton Bay Palm Beach, one of three in our beach house, townhouse, beach house, I guess. What's a townhouse, but Hampton Bay logo there. I don't know if I'm not going to stand up on the coffee table, so no date codes, sorry. As you can see, the pulching is very cut, and I can't even pull it, so it's on a wall control. I was trying to see if it's on this Lutron Skylark 3-speed control. I think this is what that is. I think the fan is set on medium on the pull chain, so I think it is. You can see when the blade is bent. This one here, see, it's bent down. So we're gonna put it on low, low on the control. Well, it's low on the control, medium on the pull chain, so. Jeez. I can feel like a slight bit of air. I'm not going to bother doing an air test with the phone, medium, because you won't be able to hear it. Jeez, I keep doing that. Unless the fan's in reverse, which I don't think that it is. No, they're going the same way. Never mind. Sorry, I'm trying to be quiet. I think someone's napping, so in the room there, so I'm trying to be quiet. She's awake. Never mind, she was just changing. She's gone now. So here it is on high speed on the wall control. It's about some decent, but I'm gonna compare it to this one, the one that's in here, in my room, because I do have it on medium right now. Sorry, a little more air. Maybe it's just because the wall controls. It's phone of my stepdad. We'll do a spin down. Interesting that that one's bent down. I don't understand how they get bent down. Bent up, I can, that makes sense, because if it's something, you know, kids are throwing a ball around and hits the fan. Me and my cousin did that with the fan, the GE Kendall, not Kendall, the GE, what are those ones called? Not the Reese, the GE Cadence, that's what they're called. The Cadence that's in Grammy's living room. We were playing with a ball. Well, we hit the bottom of the light kit. We hit the plastic cover for the light kit, the LED light kit. But and then the fan set crooked a bit. But how could that be bent up or bent down? I know blade arms and blades can sag over time, you know. The Hampton Bay Huntingtons were notorious for that. This thing's got good bearings if it's taking this long. Should be getting close here. That's weird, these lights just flickered. Just saw that out of the corner of my eye. Oh, there we go. And thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, they're flickering. They don't like the dimmer. That's weird. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and comment. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.